In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Calendar public. Whether you're planning an event or simply want to share your schedule with others, making your Google Calendar public can be a valuable tool. Let's get started with the process to ensure you do it correctly. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar by entering calendar.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your calendars on the left-hand side of the screen under a section labeled My Calendars. This is where you can manage all the different calendars you've set up. Find the calendar you want to share publicly and hover your mouse cursor over it. A small icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes referred to as the More Options button, will appear next to the calendar's name. Clicking on these dots will open a menu with additional settings. In this menu, you'll want to select Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a new page with various settings related to your calendar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. This is where you'll change your calendar's visibility settings. To make your calendar public, you'll need to check the box that says Make Available to Public. It's important to be aware that by doing this, anyone with the link or who finds your calendar will be able to view your scheduling information. Therefore, make sure that you're comfortable with the level of information available before proceeding. Once you check the box, a warning dialog box will appear to remind you that making your calendar public will allow anyone to view it. If you're sure you want to continue, click OK. After that, you'll remain in the settings and can make additional choices about how much detail to share. Next to the Make Available to Public option, you'll see a drop-down menu. When you click this, it gives you two options: see only free, busy, hide details, or see all event details. The first option will only show others when you are free or busy, without revealing specifics about your appointments. The second option will allow viewers to see all the details of your calendar events. Choose the option that best suits your needs and level of privacy. Now that your calendar's visibility is set, you can create a shareable link so others can access it. Click on Get Shareable Link and then hit Copy Link. You can now send this link to anyone you wish to share your calendar with. This concludes the steps necessary to make your Google Calendar public. Remember, making your calendar public means anyone who has access to the link will be able to view the information you've chosen to share. Therefore, it's crucial to walk through these options carefully and only proceed if you're comfortable with the implications. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.